Hello everyone, welcome back to Zimist Coded. In today's video, I'm going to show you a very smart and practical way to create quizzes or exam papers in Microsoft Word, and more importantly, how to store the answer keys inside the same document without students ever seeing them. This method is especially useful for teachers, examiners, and instructors who want one clean file that can produce both the student question paper and the marking guide without creating separate documents. So take your time, relax, and let's walk through this step by step. All right, here I am inside Microsoft Word. I already have a document open, and this document contains 10 multiple choice questions. Each question has 4 options, and just below the options, there's an answer key for that question. Now, creating the quiz itself is very straightforward. Let me quickly demonstrate the process so you understand the logic behind it. I'll click where I want to start typing. I like numbering my questions, so I'll type question 1, press the period key on my keyboard, and then press space. Notice how Word automatically turns that into a numbered bullet. Then I type the question itself. Simple and clean. Once I'm done with the question, I press enter. At this point, I don't want question 2 yet. I want to type the options. So if Word automatically inserts the next number, I'll just press backspace to remove it. Now I'll type option A, press a period, hit space, and Word turns it into a lettered bullet. I type the first option and press enter. I repeat the same thing for option B, option C, and option D. And just like that, I have a well-formatted multiple choice question. I repeat this same process for all the questions in the quiz. You can either type everything from scratch or, even faster, copy the first question with its options, paste it several times, and then simply edit the questions and answers. Now let's talk about the interesting part, the answer key. As I'm creating each question, just below the options, I type something like answer C. At this stage, everything is visible on the screen: the questions, the options, and the answers. And you might be wondering, why would I leave the answers visible like this? Well, don't worry. This is where the magic happens. We're going to hide the answers using Microsoft Word's hidden text feature. To hide an answer, I'll simply click and drag to highlight the answer text. Then I go to the Home tab, look at the font group, and click on the small arrow at the corner to open the font dialog box. A quicker way is to hold down the Control key and press D on the keyboard. Inside this dialog box, I look under Effects, check the box that says Hidden, and click OK. And just like that, the answer disappears from view. Now, instead of doing this one answer at a time, I can hide all the answers at once. I'll select the answer for question 1. Then, while holding the Control key, I'll continue selecting the answers for question 2, question 3, and so on. Once all the answers are selected, I press Ctrl-D, check Hidden, and click OK. Perfect. All the answer keys are now hidden in the document. At this point, I can safely save the document and print it for students. Let me show you how that looks. I go to File, then Print. In the print preview, notice that the answer keys are not showing at all. That's exactly what we want. Instead of printing to paper, I'll change the printer to Microsoft Print to PDF, click Print, give the file a name, choose where to save it, and hit Save. Let's open the PDF. Perfect. You can see only the questions and options, no answers anywhere. This is now a clean student exam paper. Now, when it's time to mark or review the exam, I don't need a separate answer sheet. All I need to do is go back to the document, head to the Home tab, and click on the paragraph symbol, the Show or Hide button. Once I click it, the hidden answers reappear with dotted underlines. This simply shows that the text is hidden, but still part of the document. Now, even though we can see the hidden text on screen, Word still won't print it by default. So if I want to print the exam with the answers included, I need to change one setting. I go to File, then Options. And from the left menu, I click Display. Under Printing Options, I check the box that says Print Hidden Text and click OK. Great. Now Word is allowed to print the answers. Let's print again. I go to File, then print, and now in the print preview, you can clearly see the answer keys appearing. I'll keep the printer as Microsoft Print to PDF, click Print, name the file, choose a location, and save it. Let's open this PDF as well. Perfect. This time, both the questions and the answer keys are visible. So from one single Word document, I now have a clean student question paper and a complete answer key for marking. Simple, efficient, and very professional. And that's it for this video. I've shown you how to create a quiz in Microsoft Word and how to securely store and control the answer keys using hidden text. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, share it with a colleague, and subscribe to Zimist Coded for more smart Microsoft Word, Excel, and exam formatting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.